everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to be showing you guys what's inside our iPad 2021. So we wanted to film this video for so long, but we weren't able to film it because we had a lot of videos planned for you guys before this video, but now we decided to film it and enjoy the video. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. For our iPad, we have this iPad Air 4 that we recently got in 2021, and we did the unboxing a few weeks ago, so if you guys want to check it out, it will be in the icon right here. So as you guys can see, it's in the rose gold color, and we got it with Apple Pencil, and this is Apple Pencil like 2, so we got it with that because like what's the point of getting an iPad without Apple Pencil? So first things first, when you open the iPad app, you guys will see this wallpaper. So first thing first, when you open the iPad and you enter to the home screen, you guys can see this is what our layout of iOS 14 customization looks like. And we didn't customize our application because it takes a lot of time, and we didn't have that right now, so that is why we didn't customize our applications. So we also made a iOS 14 customization video in which we did all the customization and with the apps and all that stuff. So yes, if you guys don't want to watch it, you have to go ahead and click this video on the icon right here, and yes, we'll insert the layout that was on our iPad before right here. So on the right side, you guys can see we have our widgets going on, and these are the widgets that we actually customize ourselves. And you guys can see we have the date one, which shows like the date of the day. So yes, next we have the Cappadocia scene, which is really nice, the hot air balloon scene, and we actually like the sunset vibe. That is why we have like the wallpaper in the sunset beachy kind of theme too. And we have like a overall really nice sunsetty theme going on right here. And next we have the to-do list coming onto the widget, which is like medium sized maybe. Yes, it's a medium widget. And then next we have a girl with a band-aid that we actually did in our previous customization too. And next we have a girl with a jeans. Let's start with the applications. So first thing first, we have the books application, which we don't really use because we don't like to read books. And we have photos app, which is of course the library. So next to the photos, we have our app, which is GarageBand, and it is actually a really nice app if you are a music lover. So let me show you guys. It has like keyboard, drums, an EMP audio recorder, and you can like make different like sounds with stuff, so all the music instruments, so stuff like that. So this is a really good app if you are a music lover. Next we have FaceTime, Calendar, and PixArt. So PixArt is a really nice app if you want to edit your photos, and it actually is a really nice app. We use it to edit our like Instagram photos and stuff like that. Really good app overall. So yes. Next we have the Reminders app, which is really necessary. So it is really nice app if you want to remember something else. So yes, we do use it, and it's really good. So next we have the YouTube app. Of course we all know what YouTube is and stuff like that. So we have the Notes app, on which we have like different notes, and we have drawn like different things just to practice and stuff like that. So we have different notes on it, and we have Contacts and Camera app, as well as Maps and Find My Device. And yes, next to that we have Note Writer app. So this is Notes Writer app, which is actually used to write notes. If you are looking for a really nice like free note writing app, this is really nice. It does have a lot of templates. So opening that app, you guys can see it has so many templates, and you can just write different kind of notes and stuff like that. So it's a really good app if you want to write notes. And next we have App Store and YouTube Studio. So you guys know that YouTube Studio is a must-have thing if you are a YouTuber, and you guys can see opening it, it has like a really nice dashboard and the comments. So yes, we use this app a lot to reply all of your comments, and it also has like analytics options, so you guys can see the analytics and stuff like that too. And don't mind the birds like chirping because we cannot stop them. So yes, just ignore that they are chirping. Like I actually like the birds chirping. So next we have Google application, which is really nice if you want to search something. And yes, we actually use this app a lot. And next we have Pinterest. So this is how our Pinterest looks like. You can follow us on our Pinterest, which is DIY Twins, and you guys can see we have different pins, and we also have this like iOS 14 aesthetic section. Yes, we have all the wallpapers right here, so you guys can go and select anything you like from it and download it and add it to your customization. So yes, next we have settings, because of course we have that, and music 2 times, because like we tried to customize it, but then we were like, oh, it's okay, we don't mind the apps like this, so yes, we didn't do that. And opening the music, you guys can see that the shortcut actually updated its like thing. Yes. And now you enter the app directly instead of going to shortcut first and then to the app. So that is a really good thing if you want to customize your applications too. Yes. So yes, next we have the Instagram, and you all know that Instagram is Instagram and it's really nice. So do follow us on our Instagram, which is at the rate it's DIY Twins. And yes, we upload some things and stories and stuff like that. We also have an artogram, which is actually RC Photo Twins, and I don't even know if you guys know or not, but we upload like different kind of pics of our artwork on that account. So follow us on our both accounts if you have Instagram. So next we have the music application, of course, and on the next page she'll show you guys what we have. So yes. So first things first, we have photo booths, which we don't really use, and then we have shortcuts app, because this is a must-have if you wanted to change your applications and all that stuff. So like that, the way we customize our music is through this app. And yes, now other thing we have is my year, and this my year app is of course for my measurements and all that stuff. We don't really use it, but it is a nice app. Then we have iTunes, tips, Apple Store, and clips, keynotes, numbered pages, which we don't really use. These are the apps that are actually extra in our pre-installed. So these are pre-installed apps. So actually we don't use them. So yes. Then we have voice memos. So if you guys want to record your own voice, or you guys sing and everything like that, voice memos is a really great app for it. So yes. Then we have iMovie. So iMovie is basically every YouTuber's favorite, but then we don't like iMovie on the iPad because it does not have a lot of features, which we do not really like. So, but you can like do some stuff using the green screen option, because it has like the chroma key option, so you guys can use that and actually lift your videos and your editing game. So yes, personally I think you can do decent amount of editing with this, but it's not personally our style, so yes, we don't use it that much. So next we have stocks, and this is kind of businessy app, which we don't like, and it came pre-installed, so it's just like sitting there on the iPad doing nothing. So yes, next we have Viva Video. So if you guys have been following us for a long time, and you will know that we used to use Viva Video to edit our videos when we edit it on our phone. So yes, this is a really nice app if you want to edit, and but it's like it's paid. So yes, if you guys want a good paid app, you should definitely go and try this out. And then we have Apple TV. So next we have Fonto. So Fonto is an app through which you can add text to your photos, and it is a really nice app if you are a YouTuber or you want to add text to your Instagram photos or anything like that. You just have to open it and add some text, and just like you guys can see, we have a variety of options and stuff. So yes, you guys can install some text and you guys can add it. So the next app that we have is Clock, and we know what Clock is. So the next app that we have is Roblox. Yes, we do play Roblox, and it's been sitting there for a while because we are so busy. Yes, we have lots of stuff to do, and we are not getting enough time to play this game. So yes, it's been sitting there for a while, and we don't really like to play a lot of games. Like we do play Among Us and Roblox. These are the pretty much only games that we play. Yes. So yes, that is that. And next we have podcast, and of course you guys know what podcast is. You guys can listen to a lot of podcasts in this app, and we personally are not that podcast type of persons. We really don't like to listen to a lot of podcasts, but we do really like two podcasts which are like very basic by Alicia Marie and then the Growing with the Flow. And yes, these are the only two podcasts that we actually like. So next we have is Share It. It is actually an app for sharing some things like applications, photos, videos,
files,
and all that stuff.
yes.
So yes, you can share a lot of files. And we actually have Android phones, so that is why we use this app to just transfer the photos or anything like that onto our iPad. So yes, it is a pretty good app, but the only drawback is that it has a lot of ads. So loads of ads. So yeah. So the next thing that we have is calculator. So we are not good at maths at all. We are good, but it's not that we don't like maths at all. So yes. So we have this calculator app. Just in case we have to do some calculations. And then I downloaded this app like recently,
so yes,
like 2 days ago maybe, and we haven't like used it that much, so I have also just like done some basic things to it. So I guess I just did random, and we'll actually get like Procreate app really soon because we like to like draw things and stuff like that, and yes, we will get that application too. So, and no, this is not the end of the video. We also have Canon Connect app, which is actually used to connect your camera with your iPad or your any device that you have. Next we have the app which is a Netflix. Netflix is an application that is like everyone's favorite. You can watch different stuff, movies and stuff like that. If you want a Netflix recommendation video from us, like what we like to watch on Netflix and what we liked and what we didn't, so comment down below. We'll make a Netflix recommendation video for you guys too. Next we have Vidsmith, which is actually an application through which you can like customize your widgets that comes on the side of the iPad. Like, let me show you guys, like these widgets, so you can customize them, like add pictures and stuff like that. Next we have the Messages app, which we don't really use because we don't. So next we have Mails, and in Mail you guys can see we have 1,910 messages, like mails, and these mails are only from YouTube and Pinterest because we have like turned on our notifications that send us email every time we get any notification on YouTube. So so every time someone comments on our video, we like someone comment and they reply to us, or any single thing happens on YouTube, they just send us a mail, and that is why there are like so many mails. That is why there are so many mails. And at Pinterest too, every time someone saves our pin and stuff like that, Pinterest also sends us mail. So we have like done the thing to it. We have found a solution, and we actually have turned the email option on off. And now no more mails coming in our way. So yes, that was pretty much it for what's in our iPad. So yes, so let's move on to the outro. Okay guys, it's future us dumb us forgot that we had a Vita app sitting in the taskbar, and it is a really good editing app similar to Viva Video. And we also downloaded this ukulele app, which we decided to show you guys. So yes, and now let's get back to the outro. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel down below. Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video, and our previous videos are as always in the icon right here, so make sure to watch them, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.
Pretend we're picture perfect.